Statement type questions. Statement 1. In floral formula, this symbol stands for zygomorphic nature of the flower, and here the G and downside the bar stands for inferior ovary. Sorry, it is wrong, because this symbol represents actimorphic nature or radial symmetry, and this one is not inferior, it is superior one. Next statement 2. In a floral flower, this symbol stands for actimorphic nature. Yes, correct. And this G dash downside the bar stands for superior ovary. It is correct. So statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. So option is, yeah, fourth option. Here, see this circle and the plus. This stands for actimorphic, okay, where the percentage type symbol, this is zygomorphic. Remember this. And actimorphic always represents the radial symmetry, where zygomorphic represents bilateral symmetry. Okay, this is from the chapter known as morphology, chapter 4 from class 11. Here, see, inferior ovary and superior ovary also. If this represents, G represents gynoecium. If the bar represents upper side, it means the gynoecium is inferior. In case the gynoecium G and the bar represents downside, it means the gynoecium is upper, it is superior. Okay, if the bar is downside, it is superior. If the bar is upper side, and it is inferior. And in the same way, you already learned about zygomorphic, actimorphic.